Bruna.
안녕하세요. 한철승입니다.
konnichiwa, Toyama Shota desu.
Korea is a country that values and invests a lot in its educational system. Even former President Barack Obama has praised its policies. A high investment in education is also an investment in creating new technologies. I think that's why Korea is one of the strongest IT countries the world has ever seen. We're here today with the CIO of GlobePoint, Mr. Han.
안녕하세요. 글로우포인트 한철승입니다. 글로우포인트는 2012년도에 설립되었고요. 교육 사업을 진행하고 있습니다. VR과 AR에 특화된 콘텐츠를 만들 수 있는 저작 도구를 만들고 있습니다. 지금 소개해드릴 VRWARE School은 여러분들이 상상하고 있는 모든 것을 만들 수 있는 VR 저작 도구가 되겠습니다. 자, 그러면 시연을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.
Okay, so this is so much fun. I'm sure the kids are gonna love it. It was so much easier than I imagined, and I could just do whatever I wanted. It was perfect. It was so much fun.
実際にこのプログラミングを使ってみて本当に簡単で早く頭で考えたことを実際に VR で映し出してで子どもたちも本当に簡単に教育を学べると思いました。
Okay, so thank you, VRWARE School, and bye!
バイバイ